Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really popular Cameroon snack called Puff Puff. So I'm going to jump right into this. Be sure to check all the ingredients down in the description box. I start by adding in some warm water. I'm using 2 cups of water. Then I'm adding some dry active yeast into the water. I'm just going to stir this together until they combine nicely and form a really good smooth mixture. Now you want to break up any lumps and get a really smooth mixture from your water and your active yeast. Once that's well combined, I'm going to add in some salt and some sugar, and I'm just going to stir that again until everything is nice and well combined. So once I've mixed this up, I'm adding in my flour. I use 3 cups of flour for this recipe. I'm going to use a hand mixer to mix everything together until I have a really nice and smooth consistency. Guys, if you don't have a hand mixer, you can use either your hand or a spatula or a wooden spoon, whatever works for you. You just want to get a nice and smooth mixture. So if this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button so you can get notified when next I post a yummy video. Please don't forget to like this video as well. Thank you. So once everything is nice and smooth, I'm going to just seal this with a plastic cling wrap, and I'm going to cover it up and let it sit in a nice warm environment. Now I like to heat up my oven for about 3 to 4 minutes and then turn it off. So you want to let this sit in a warm environment for at least 2 hours, and it should double its size when you take it out. So this is how it should look like after 2 to 3 hours. Once you take it out after 2 to 3 hours, you just want to mix it up lightly, and then it's time to fry. I'm going to be deep frying this in some cooking oil. You want to heat up your oil for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's really hot. Now I'm going to oil my palms to enable me manipulate my dough around easily. So this is the manner in which I love to just get that round, nice puff shape. You can see I scoop some out and I just let it slide out between my thumb and my index, and it's really pretty simple. Once you practice it once or twice, you're just going to get the hang of it. It's really easy to do, and you can see my puff is just frying away. So if your oil is hot enough, your puff mixture is going to float and it's not going to settle at the bottom. That's one way to know that your oil is hot enough to fry. So you can see how, I'm just adding in my puff mixture into the oil, into the hot oil. This is going to get brown really fast, and you want to make sure that you just scoop it over so that it doesn't get burnt. So you want to fry on medium to low heat to ensure that your puff cooks through and doesn't just get burnt. So you don't want to overcrowd your frying pan. You just want to get enough in there so that you can easily toss them around and just watch it fry beautifully. So guys, this already smells so yummy, so delicious. I cannot wait to have a bite of this. You just have to keep tossing around and checking, and you just want it to get nice and brown on all sides, and then you know it's ready. So once it's nice and brown and I'm happy with it, I just take it out, and I like to just line my pan with some paper towel just so that I can soak, you know, any extra oil or grease from my puff puff while it's sitting in there and cooling down. So you want to line up your pan or your tray with some paper towel so that when you take out your puff puff, it's going to help you soak up any extra grease or oil from your puff puff, so it's not too oily. So guys, you're just going to repeat and fry the rest of your puff puff mixture. So guys, I totally love to have my puff puff with pap or corn porridge. So this is it. I'm ready to dive in. It looks so yummy. You can see how nice and soft and fluffy this puff puff is. This mixture is really good. It's delicious. You know, this recipe is so easy to make, and it gives you the most soft and the most fluffy and yummy puff puff ever. I mean, I just totally love this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I totally enjoyed making this recipe with you. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.